So my dear friends, good morning everybody. Young boys and girls, but I think boys are not there, so girls alone. And what is very important today is to look at two boring pictures, isn't it, for you? But they're not boring at all. They are the two greatest scientists of our era. One is Patanjali and there is Gautam Buddha. Ask me what they taught you. Can anybody unmute and say what they actually gave us? If you're allowed to unmute, because these guys, these professors and teachers will not allow you to unmute. Can anybody unmute and say yeah?
Yes. They can type in the chat box. It would be disturbing you. That's why we have not allowed them to speak.
I trust children more than adults. I trust.
Okay, then we will allow
students more
yes,
more
sir,
than
we will
teachers.
allow them.
Yeah. I
Yes.
trust the students more than teachers.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, sir,
They
it's
taught
done.
us through self.
So maybe Gautam Buddha's life teaches us the way of living, and as a lot of people praise them or they devote them as a god, but maybe their life has been about how you have to live a life and how you can make a good life.
Sir, you are on mute.
Who are these two people and who's speaking? Who spoke just now?
So Shreya Shirke.
Shreya, can you actually identify these two guys on the screen?
So I couldn't identify the first picture on the right hand side, but the left hand side I could, yeah.
Who's that? Who's that? You said right hand side, left hand side. We have not named anybody.
I guess first one is Maharshi Patanjali, who was the author of Yoga Sutra.
Oh, very good. Who's that? Riddhi.
Yes.
Did you answer that? Yeah, fantastic. That is basically Patanjali on the left, and on the right?
So Lord Gautam Buddha.
Absolutely. So let me tell you, Patanjali gave us yoga and it's very cool. Absolutely cool. Okay. It's very cool to be on different poses, read the yoga, and it really helps you to it actually helps you to align yourself with the cosmos. Means what? ऐसा है कि गाड़ी के टायर के अलाइनमेंट के बिना गाड़ी चलती नहीं है. आपके पिताजी माताजी ने कहा होगा स्कूटर और वो जो क्या बोलता है उसको छोटा सा क्या बोलता है उसको वो छोटा सा वो है ना क्या बोलता है एक्टिवा that does not run if the wheels are not aligned. When the wheels are aligned, life is smooth. So equanimity is emotional regulation. In Hindi they say samanta, and when there's equanimity अंदर से काफी अपने को गौतम बुद्धा बनना नहीं है, अपने को पतंजलि बनना नहीं है, पर अंदर से सुकून जब रहता है ना तब सब कुछ अच्छा होता है. And actually, my dear friends, my dear girls, honestly speaking, education you will get, answers you will write, but the inner sukoon, managing emotions is one of the most important skill to be successful in life. मुफट हो गए तो लोग तुमको शादी में नहीं बुलाएंगे, बोलेंगे बहुत अच्छी है, अंदर से बहुत अच्छी है, पर बाहर से उसका जबान बड़ा तीखा है, उसे मत बुलाओ, वो गड़बड़ कर देगी. और भी कोई ऐसे गुस्से से किसी को मैंने तो उसको दिखा दिया, उसने जो बोला उसको सामने मैंने ऐसे ठोक के आया कि वो आगे बोल नहीं पाई. ये लोग आगे नहीं जाते हैं. इमोशनल अलाइनमेंट का मतलब है समानता का मतलब है अपने भावनाओं को मैनेज करना. इंग्लिश में इक्वानिमिटी कहते हैं और हिंदी में समानता. और ये माइंड एंड बॉडी को भी अलाइन किया ना तो ऑर्केस्ट्रा की आवाज अच्छी आती है. जब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस होते हैं ना कभी कभी टीचर्स बोरिंग होते हैं, एसएनडीटी में नहीं है, बाहर का बात कर रहा हूँ। कभी कभी टीचर्स बहुत बहुत अच्छे भी रहते हैं, और आजकल कुछ टीचर्स एसएनडीटी में तो बहुत रॉकिंग टीचर्स हैं सभी। दे डांस इन द क्लास, दे सिंग इन द क्लास, दे ब्रिंग गिटार्स, दे कन्वर्ट द एंटायर कॉन्सेप्ट इनटू अ स्टोरी, they create a drama on the class, and they don't only give PowerPoint tuck 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 tuck. तो जब अपने टीचर्स ऑनलाइन में ऐश कराते हैं, and that's the time you study, but only PowerPoint theory, and those teachers who can convert theory into a story, then only you can learn. So, and I'm sure in SNDT this is happening all the time. I'm sure, 100% sure. So, my dear friends, alignment is extremely important to feel emotionally healthy. और शरीर के अंदर मन और शरीर आपस में बातचीत करती रहती है, उनका अलाइनमेंट ज्यादातर we are not gods, huh? We also lose our coconut, and at times when we lose our coconut, we also misbehave, we also feel bad, we also feel down. But if you attempt alignment of the mind and the body, mental health is very good. So ultimately मन क्या है? विचार, भावना, शरीर में सेंसेशंस। अरे एग्जाम के समय मुझे इससे धड़धड़ होता है, ऐसा पेट में चूहा भागता है, बाप रे। अरे एग्जाम्स के पहले मुझे कुछ नहीं याद आता है, कुछ नहीं। आई मीन जो ऐसा लगता है दिमाग खाली हो गया, ऐसे हिलाया तो एकदम एम्प्टी लगता है, हल्का लगता है, उसको कहते हैं सेंसेशन। और बिहेवियर, अला ये क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछा है टीचर ने, कमाल किया, मैंने सब चैप्टर पढ़ी पर ये नहीं पढ़ा, बहुत खड़ूस टीचर है वो, उसे पता था कि मैंने नहीं पढ़ा। तो बिहेवियर। सो अल्टीमेटली व्हाट, इफ यू वांट टू डिस्कवर योरसेल्फ, आइडेंटिफाई योरसेल्फ, you have to have an understanding of thoughts, feelings, sensations and behavior. But कायका thoughts, कायका feelings, कायका sensations, आजकल तो इस उम्र में तो दिल भागता है, दिल छाती से runs away, flies, अपने कंट्रोल में नहीं है। हम कहते हैं भाई यहाँ बैठ जाओ यार, यहाँ से हाथ मत हटो, रहो यार, अभी थोड़ा टाइम है। माँ तो कहती है पढ़ाई करो, जल्दी शादी करेंगे, नहीं तो आंख में चश्मा आ जाएगा। ज्यादा पढ़ी लिखेगी तो शायद कोई तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा, बहुत पढ़ना ठीक नहीं है, ऐसे कुछ माँ लोग कहते हैं, सभी नहीं। और ऐसे समय पर इस उम्र में दिल जब भागता है ना, और फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ के आप करते हैं, ही सो क्यूट, काय का क्यूट साला, 10 फीट के डिस्टेंस में सब क्यूट लगते हैं, फेसबुक के फोटोग्राफ्स में सब हैंडसम लगते हैं, सब चकाचक लगते हैं। पर ये उम्र क्या है, पहलवानी का और पढ़ाई की उम्र निकल गई ना गई। You're all doing your psychology and other things in SNDT, and if you remember, if you do not study well, you're gone. Or you have to come back after the age of 40 to come and study. A young girl told me, पहलवानी का और पढ़ाई की उम्र गई तो गई। और ऐसे जब होता है तो मन में काफी व्याकुलता होती है। कॉलेज में जब हम आते नहीं है अभी, उसके लिए बहुत कुछ कारण है। और एक कारण ऐसा है कि कोविड हुआ था और फिर भी अभी बहुत समय से लोग कहते हैं कि डिप्रेशन बढ़ गया है, घबराहट बढ़ गई है, टेंशन बढ़ गया है। ये क्यों ऐसा है? ये इसीलिए है कि भेजा तो बदला नहीं है। ब्रेन हैज नॉट चेंज्ड साइज, शेप, कलर, वेट, वॉल्यूम, टेक्सचर और फंक्शन। एनवायरनमेंट हैज चेंज्ड अराउंड अस। Environment means daddies have lost their jobs, EMIs could not be given because there's no job. Some people may have suffered from COVID. Some people in the family may have other issues also. And when I say other issues, and when I say other, it could be so many. It could be so many. And so life has changed completely. द ब्रेन हैज नॉट चेंज, भेजा तो वही चाहिए यार, गुस्सा है कभी कभी याद नहीं आता ना एग्जाम में, तो ऐसा लगता है कुछ भेजा ही नहीं, और कभी हम हिला के देखते हैं भेजा है क्या नहीं. Or that is the most important thing, because that has changed. And what is very important for us to understand this age is, ये sentence तो आप लोगों को बायाट करना पड़ेगा. दिल में लकीर, पत्थर के लकीर जैसे लिख के रखना पड़ेगा. ये सेंटेंस पूरे टैटू करके डाल दो, टैटू. हाँ, कहीं भी मत डालो, हाथ में डालो, हाथ में. और बताओ अपने पति को, शोहर को या बॉयफ्रेंड को, तुम अपने मन को, इफ यू लॉक योर माइंड्स, अंदर बम बनता जाएगा. इफ यू लॉक योर माइंड, द टाइम बॉम्ब्स. इफ यू लॉक योर इमोशंस, योर थॉट्स, it become a time bomb. It's going to explode. It's going to explode inside your organs, and that will be a catastrophe. खराब लगता है. नहीं, कुछ बच्चे हैं एसएनटी में भी हैं. मैं मेरी तकलीफ किसी को नहीं बताता हूँ. मैं अपने रूम में सुकून से अकेला रहता. मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर आपस में बातें करते हैं. मैं चुप रहता. I mean, I don't talk to anybody. I lock myself in my room. I will not share anything with anybody. अरे टीचर को तो बताने नहीं है, वो तो कॉमन रूम में सबको बता देगी. माँ को बताएगी तो आंटी अंकल को सबको बता देंगे. ब्रेकअप हुआ तो मैं चुप रहूंगा, अकेले आंसू बहाऊंगा, पुराने गाने सुनूंगा. So this is a very dangerous exercise. Never lock your mind. Find somebody to speak to. Find somebody in your family, in your environment, among the people whom you trust a lot, and that will really help you. So this is one slide you need to put on your hand. Tattoo bana ke likho. Locked minds are time bombs. Diffuse it early, lest it explode inside you. Boyfriend आएगा, पति आएगा, सब क्या लिख के आइए, आपके लिए मैं लिखा हूँ, पढ़ लो, उसके बाद मुझसे शादी करो. And that is so important. So let us look at a little about what is the disaster. क्या हुआ इस बार, थोड़ा बात करेंगे उसका, क्योंकि उसको अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. And it's very important to understand that house collapse, earthquakes, cyclones and floods do happen everywhere, but that is not the same as a pandemic. Pandemic is something very big, happens across many countries. Thousands and lakhs of people die. So let me tell you the basic difference between old disasters and a pandemic. Now, आपने घर में तो पक्का सुना होगा ना, बद्दू भगवाननु हातमा छे, आपला हातात काही नाही. रिद्धी ऐकली असेल तू, आई सांगितलं तुला, आपल्या हातात काही नाही. प्रिया जी के माँ बाप ने भी कहा होगा, क्या करे भाई, ये तो सब ईश्वर का हाथ में. मैंने भी यही सुना हूं. जब मैं लातूर में अर्थक्वेक के समय 1 साल काम किया, वही कहते थे, अपने हाथ में क्या है. अनंत चतुर्दशी के दिन भूकंप हुआ, भगवान के हाथ में. पर ये आपदा जो है, there's a virus invisible, and because people of science told the mullahs, priests, and everybody to close down the temples, the mosques, they closed it down because this is a disaster of science. दूसरी बात बहुत important है आपको समझने के लिए, and I'm sure there are many students of psychology and they should really understand this, and that is, an earthquake happens just like this, a few seconds, like this. A cyclone might go on for a few hours, a flood for a few days. And every disaster has a pre-impact phase, impact phase, and a post-impact phase. Pre-impact phase, impact phase when the disaster happens, and post-impact phase. This pandemic has a long post-impact phase because it's going on for the last 2 years, 24 months. 24 months, it's big, it's very, very big. So the impact is also much bigger. The next is huge numbers have died. In Latur, 8,000 people died. Here, more than 4,70,000 people have died. In India, more than 1 lakh people have died in our state of Maharashtra. When the numbers are huge, you don't see a lot of empathy. You see a lot of apathy. Because the mind shuts down to protect oneself. And it's difficult to really empathize with others. किसी को संवेदनाशील से देखना बड़ा मुश्किल है, क्योंकि इतने लोग मर रहे हैं कि दिमाग को बंद रखे तो अपना दिमाग हम प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. आयसोलेशन, आपके कोई रिलेटिव यदि हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हो, आपण जाऊ शकत नाही तिथे. त्या जवानो इम्पॉसिबल છે. Impossible check. He's alone, she's alone. And she has to go to the bathroom alone, everything alone. And you cannot be there. You cannot kiss your relative. You cannot hold his hand. You cannot take him to the bathroom. You cannot feed him or her. So the person is really isolated. And the most important thing is, दुश्मन दिखता नहीं. अर्थक्वेक में पत्थर गिरते हैं, साइक्लोन में हवा आती है, पानी आती है, जब बाढ़ आती है. But here the virus is invisible. That's one of the greatest problems of the disaster. और आखिर में साले वो बदमाश जिन्होंने मास्क ब्लैक में बेचा, साले वो बदमाश जिन्होंने ऑक्सीजन ब्लैक में बेचा, साले वो बदमाश जिन्होंने कहा कि कोविड वैक्सीन मत लो, टेररिस्ट. इसीलिए ये आपदा सबसे बड़ा है. And it's a very big disaster. And in this disaster, to find out yourself, identify yourself, and get yourself out and enrich in it is not easy. So you need to understand these consequences, which are very important. So I was saying, na, जब कम लोग मरते हैं, एक बिल्डिंग में एक आदमी मरता है तो सभी पहुंच जाते हैं वहां, बहुत एम्पैथी होती है. अपने फैमिली में किसी को मौत आती है, किसी का एक्सीडेंट होता है तो सब पहुंच जाते हैं. अपने फ्रेंड को यदि फ्रैक्चर हुआ तो या प्लास्टर लगता है और सभी लोग लिखते हैं गेट वेल सून, ये वो बहुत इंक में. और वो जो खास होता है ना, वो ऐसा हार्ट भी ड्रॉप होता है. कम लोग मरते हैं तो एम्पैथी होती है, बहुत लोग मरते हैं तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. तो एपैथी भी है. यार अभी उसको जाके मैं कैसे बताऊं, वो एक्सपायर हो गया, उसकी औरत अकेली है, उसे जाके बताऊं तो समझो मुझे कोविड हुआ तो वो देख के सुन के मुझे बहुत डर लगता है, मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा. एपैथी. एम्पैथी इज व्हाट यू नो. एंटीपैथी, मेरे पिताजी को मैं अस्पताल जाने नहीं दूंगा उसके बहन को मिलने के लिए, क्योंकि उसे कुछ हुआ तो हमें भी कुछ हो जाएगा, आप जा नहीं सकते हैं. एंटीपैथी. या इन सम फैमिलीज इट हैज सो हैपेंड दैट brothers and sisters have fought because they both believed that either of them has got the COVID, because of which the parents died. Antipathy. So in this entire disaster, the entire empathy of the universe has been shaken. A lot of us have become very apathetic. A lot of us have shown antipathy towards our friends and relatives. હું તો જવાનું નથી ભાઈ, એમના ઘરમાં એકને કોવિડ છે, હું તો જવાનું નથી, दूरથી હું ફોન કરીશ, એમ ના ચાલે, आप मी जाणार नाही. मला भीती वाटते जायला, त्याला एम्पॅथी, त्याला झालंय कोविड, तो आता म्हणतो मी चांगलं झालंय, 15 दिवस झाले, पण तो माझा भाऊ असून मी नाही जाणार कारण मला पण होऊ शकते. सो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच हैपेंस वेरी कॉमन. तो हमने अपने सेल्फ को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, अपने आप को तैयार करने के लिए, and to really convert our being into a beautiful being, one thing is you have to learn something from the virus. And at this point of time, I'll ask Fatima to unmute everybody, and anybody can answer me, what are the learnings from the virus? Anybody can answer me, what are the learnings from the virus? Anybody? मला श्रेया का नाम दिखता है और बहुत लोग होंगे, पर मुझे सभी का नाम नहीं दिखता है. You can actually answer this. What are the learnings from the virus? Anybody can unmute and say.
I think first learning is that we can manage without a lot of things, and we can, I think, also take care of ourselves even at our own houses and be independent, more independent than we thought we were.
Riya has learned to make Maggi noodles. And chicken tandoori also, probably. I think more. Who else wants to answer? What have we learned from the virus? Yes, Swati.
Yes, sir. Actually, we used to think that we can't sit at home and do anything. Means we can't sit at home. We have to go somewhere here and there. But as soon as there was a lockdown, we started to live at home with our family, spend time with them, and we learned to manage a lot of things.
Very good. Lavanya has also actually identified both Buddha and Patanjali. Lavanya, great. Very, very good. Very nice. And some people have said, Tabassum has said that we've learned to be positive. Lavanya said learn to be positive. Tabassum has said we could distribute the food to eat for the poor people. Fantastic. Anybody else? One sharing, I'll go ahead. Anybody
So
else?
also, I think this pandemic has taught us that a pandemic or disease doesn't see whether you're rich or poor. It'll just see you're human and it'll affect everybody. It's not about from where you belong.
It's about any human being. किसी को बने choice. Secular virus है. It can cross boundaries. It can cross borders. It can go to any state. It doesn't choose to Marathi माणूस है का तो गुजराती है का तो शेट्टी है. And that is something very. But what have we learned? And what have we learned is this, my dear friends. And what have we learned is, just as the virus mutates for the worst, human behavior has to mutate for the best. And what does that mean? भाई बहुत गुरूर नहीं रखना चाहिए, बहुत अहंकार नहीं होना चाहिए, बहुत ईगो नहीं होना चाहिए. अपने क्लास का नोट सबको बांटो. तुम्हें कुछ आता है, किसी को नहीं आता है तो उन्हें सिखाओ. टीचर को जरा रहमी से देखो. Be empathic towards the teachers, and he taught the teachers, be kind to every student and see that you are equidistant to all the students, because ultimately we are all temporary travelers on the human race. And Shreya, you want to say something? No, okay. And that I think is the most important learning. आधी रोटी भी बांट के खाओ, नोट्स भी शेयर करो, असाइनमेंट साथ में बैठ के करो, एक दूसरे को हेल्प करो. और मार्क्स तो क्या यार, मार्क्स तो शेयर बाजार की पत्रिका है, कभी ऊपर नीचे होती रहती है. 10 साल के बाद क्या आप लोग जब मिलोगे तो पूछेंगे मुझे बीएससी में कितना मिला, मुझे बीए में कितना मिला, फर्स्ट ईयर बीए के सेकंड टर्म में कितना मिला, याद रहेगा क्या? दैट इज व्हाट द पैंडेमिक हैज रियली टॉट यू, एंड दैट आई थिंक इज द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग. एंड इसको भी यहाँ टैटू करके डालना, यहाँ वो साले का नाम मत डालना. वो क्या है, नेवर राइट द नेम ऑफ योर बॉयफ्रेंड ऑन योर हैंड और योर लेग. माँ बाप का डाल सकते हो, क्योंकि माँ बाप चेंज नहीं होते हैं, छोरा चेंज हो सकता है. So but this is good. Just as the virus mutates for the worst, the human behavior has to mutate for the best. नहीं, ये तुम्हारे जमाने के एक्टर लोग नहीं है भाई, ये हमारे जमाने के एक्टर्स है. The point I want to make is, are you aware of your feelings? Okay, which means for good mental health, for वो क्या है तुम्हारा फातिमा जी, वो क्या है तुम्हारा वो स्लाइड का वो टाइटल क्या है?
Select life.
सिलेक्ट लाइफ. क्या टाइटल दिया तुम लोगों ने बाप, बहुत जबरी टाइटल है तुम्हारा. So what is very important is, are you aware of your feelings? Now you unmute everybody, and I would like to hear from you, what are the different types of feelings we all experience? Anybody, you can unmute and actually come on the screen and share what are the different types of feelings you experience. Anybody can unmute and start.
Happiness.
Joy. Okay, joy. What else?
Happiness.
Joy. That is joy. Okay, you're right. And then anybody? Sadness. And anybody else now? After Swati, anybody else? She said joy and sadness. Anybody else? Jealousy says Swardhuni says jealousy. Nutan says anger. Virti said sad, happy, frustrated, kind, sympathy, kindness, anger, fear, sadness, and disgust. Very, very nice. Let me. Pride is not a feeling, beta. Pride is not a feeling. Fear. Now allow me to say anger, sadness, fear मालूम है ना, फटती है ना कभी कभी, उसको fear बोलते हैं. Joy, jealousy यानी मत्सर या हेवा, and sixth is love. So these are the 6 natural feelings. Preeti, are you listening? And then there are other feelings also. There are learned feelings, guilt and shame. तेरे वजह से मेरे को बीपी बढ़ गई. Invoking guilt, तू पढ़ती नहीं है, तू रात को लेट आती है, इसीलिए मेरा बीपी बढ़ गया. माँ बाप कभी कभी कहते हैं तेरे वजह से. Provoking guilt. Invoking guilt is मेरे वजह से तुझे कितना तकलीफ है, मैं तुम्हें कितना तकलीफ देता हूं. Invoking guilt. Shame, You know what is shame. So this shame and guilt are actually feelings which are basically learned. Otherwise, all the feelings are natural feelings. Okay. Now this disgust है ना, वो वेस्टर्न बुक्स में लिखता है, अपुन नहीं बोलता है, समझा? मेरे पास, तेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला, क्लिनिक, अस्पताल है, मेरे पास क्या है? माँ है। एंड ये उम्र में क्या है? आता माझी सटकली, मी एवढं संताप, एवढं रावाल, त्याच्या कानाखाली 2 लावा असं वाटलं मला. मेरे इतना सटका था, माँ कसम बोलता हूँ, किधर मिलती थी पतली गली, मुझे इसको सुना देता था. मने एटला इतना गुस्सा है कि मुझे लगता है उसे गाल में, उसके कान के नीचे 2 पप्पी दूं. So anger is a normal emotion, beta. Friends, anger is a normal emotion, absolutely normal. गुस्सा भगवान बुद्ध को भी आया था, जीसस क्राइस्ट को भी आया था. एंगर इज अ नॉर्मल फीलिंग. और एंगर को रोकने का बहुत कोशिश करते हैं. नहीं, हमको गुस्सा आती नहीं. हमारे घर में किसी को गुस्सा तो आती नहीं. हमारे घर में एकदम मस्त है कि सब गौतम बुद्ध ही, किसी को गुस्सा नहीं आता है. हमारे घर में हम चिल्लाते ही नहीं, हम बहुत लो बात करते हैं. ये सब झूठा है. जो कहते हैं ना गुस्सा नहीं आता है, उनके मेडिकल बिल बड़ा लंबा होता है. एसिडिटी, ये दुखता है, वो दुखता है, ऐसा होता है, गैस होता है, ये होता है. अरे गुस्सा को बांध के रखोगे तो फट जाएगा यार अंदर. नाही, मला राग येत नाही, मला अजिबात राग येत नाही. मी अक्कलकोटच्या स्वामीचा भक्त आहे. अरे स्वामी लोगों को भी गुस्सा आती है. एंगर इज अ नॉर्मल इमोशन, एग्रेशन इज एन एबनॉर्मल स्टेट. एंगर और एग्रेशन में बहुत फर्क है यार. मुझे मेरे गाइड के ऊपर इतना गुस्सा, मेरे टीचर के ऊपर इतना गुस्सा कि मेरे असाइनमेंट को वापस दे दिया उसने. बोला ये अच्छा नहीं, फिर से लिखो. क्या समझते अपने आप को? खलास, गया तुम गया. अरे वो क्या समझती है, जरा पूछो, फीडबैक लो. गाड़ी में जब जाता हूँ ट्रेन में, तो शाम के समय यदि ट्रेन आप पकड़ोगे तो एक बॉस को गाली देते देते लोग घर जाते हैं. पर बॉस के सामने बोलने की किसी को हिम्मत नहीं. बॉस ने चिल्लाया तो आपने क्यों चिल्लाया? मैंने क्या किया? What is the fault I have done? Please let me know. And those who speak like this do very well in life, extremely well in life. Sir, ma'am, I understand that you are very upset with me. Can you please give me the reason so that I correct myself? They grow in life. अरे ऐसा मैम को तो मैं देखा ही नहीं. They don't go in life. So anger, if it is blocked, it is converted into resentment. I drink a cup of poison, expect him to die. इतना I can't stand that. I can't stand that at all. वो जो फातिमा को तो देख के मेरा दिमाग सटकता. उसे कुछ नहीं होता है, वो तो जूस पी के बैठी है स्टारबक्स में, और मैं अंदर से जल रहा हूँ. So it is like you drink a cup of poison, expect somebody else to die. And if you're not aware of that, then you get hostility, खुन्नस. पतली गली में ला दो, गला मरोड़ के मार डालूंगा. If I meet her anywhere, I think I will kill her. And then hate. I will never talk to this uncle of mine all my life. He snatched my property from my father. I hate him. I hate this politician. I hate him, I hate her. By the way, my dear friends, so anger can go, if you do not manage the anger, resentments, hostility, hate, and rage. But if you acknowledge your anger, address it, and listen to your anger, it must slowly go down. Irritability is anger in motion. Okay. And if there's explosive anger, you need to go to a psychologist. Explosive anger, you can't hold it. And if you have emotional hijacking, म्हणजे तुम मुफट हो, फटकड़ हो, बोलना ही पड़ता है. नहीं बोला तो अंदर से नींद नहीं आती. जाके साइकोलॉजिस्ट को मिलना पड़ेगा ताकि माइंड को शांत करना, इमोशन को रेगुलेट करना, एंगर के पीछे का क्या 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 कारण है उसको देखना, उसके बाद आगे. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, लिसन टू योर एंगर. Do not convert it into resentment, hostility, and hate. And intense hate somewhere interferes with love everywhere. If you intensely hate your mother-in-law, you can't love your wife or your husband. If you intensely hate your teachers, you can't study. Your love for your studies will be dead. Intensely hate your boss, your concentration work will go. Intense hate anywhere interferes with love everywhere. That is so, so important. यही मैं कह रहा था ना, इसको इधर इधर टाटू करो, टाटू इधर इधर, intense hate anywhere interferes with love everywhere. If you manage anger, you will not reach it. But still in life, we all have a hate list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कुछ भी बोलो Dr. Shetty. I was in SNDT once long ago. Rita Sonawat had invited me. I was speaking to a bunch of young girls doing their MSc Human Development. And we were talking about hate. And one girl said, Doctor, whatever you say, I will never talk to my uncle. He cheated my entire family. And everybody said, Dr. Shetty, work on her, work on her, work on her. I said, what is work? Work has started. Hate is like an ice cube in a fridge. Hate is like an ice cube in a fridge. Put it on room temperature, it starts slowly dissolving. So if the person is aware of his hate, it slowly starts dissolving. And that's the beauty of hate. But if you're not aware of the hate, it remains inside, and one day, khatak, बहुत अच्छा आदमी था वो, जिंदगी में उसने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Hostility can kill, and that is very, very important. My dear friends, people who are very, very moved and proud about it, they never go up in life. मैंने उसे बोल दिया, मैंने छोड़ा नहीं क्या, मैंने उसने 2 बोला, मैं 4 बोला, जुगलबंदी, 2 बोला, 4 बोला, 2 बोला, because your amygdaloid is very active. And amygdaloid was very useful during a Stone Age when we were fighting animals. Fight, flight, maro ya bhago. Amygdaloid is the small part of the brain which makes you, which is when it's overactive, it actually makes you. But if prefrontal cortex is active, and if you use your prefrontal cortex, you know when to say, what to say, how to say, when to keep quiet. So my dear friends, across life, if you have to select life or even select a partner, your prefrontal cortex has to be more active than the amygdaloid, and you'll make less mistakes in life. जब दिल ही टूट गया, हम पी के क्या करें? These men, no, the breakup के बाद they drink. Old Hindi movie style. Some of them drink, some of them go to revenge date. Some of them अपने आप को मारने का कोशिश करते, जला दो जला दो जला दो, ये दुनिया नहीं. अरे उसे पता चलेगा मुझे कुछ हुआ तो उसकी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाए. नहीं होगा बर्बाद भाई, तुम चले जाओगे तो नया छोकरी के साथ शादी करेगा. Sadness is a positive emotion. Depression is a negative state. Those who block sadness cannot love. Those who block sadness cannot experience joy. And emotions are like the ragas of the Hindi, of the music. आते जाएगा, कभी सुबह विदाउट रीजन सैडनेस होगी, फिर थोड़ा दोपहर को गुस्सा आएगा, फिर अच्छा लगेगा, फिर थोड़ा जलन आएगा. I taught her everything, but she scored more marks than me. I sat down at night and gave her all the notes, and she stands first. My God, how the dash. I meant how the hell. नहीं यार, वो आएगा बाद में, कभी कभी डर लगेगा एग्जाम. So we experience all this. Sadness is a positive emotion. Depression is a negative state. Remember that. When you experience sadness, accept it. Yeah, I don't know why, but I feel very low. Every time when you're low, there's no need for intervention. Normal hai. As long as you bounce back again. Sadness is a normal emotion. Depression is a negative state. And sadness is very important for empathy. Yeah? Sadness is the flower pot. Empathy is the growing plant. Regulation of your emotions are very important also. Very important also for empathy. Sadness is important as well as emotional regulation. So when you experience sadness, you feel for people. But in depression, the sadness is pathological. The sadness is too intense. The sadness is abnormal. But the sadness that comes and goes is very important. And remember, my dear friends, दोस्त दोस्त ना रहा. Very important emotion, huh? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इमोशन। अरे प्यार क्या है जिससे पढ़ाई का त्याग करना पड़े? माय डियर गर्ल्स, रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट लव इज योर स्टडीज। you're always married twice in life. First your studies, and if you do not concentrate on your studies and you do not do anything in your life, you'll have to follow what your parents say. But if you really stand up in your life, in your studies, स्वयंवर में 1000 लड़के आएंगे यार, लाइन लग जाएगी तुम्हारे घर के बाहर। And when you're emotionally regulated, you'll make the right choice. But तुम पढ़ाई में ध्यान नहीं दोगे, घर में झूठ बोल के इधर उधर भागोगे, रात को लेट आओगे, और क्या बोलते हैं उसको, आई एम चिलिंग नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, आई एम हैंगिंग आउट। अच्छा है, आई ऑल्सो हैंग आउट। हमारे जमाने में टपरी की चाय पीते थे, आप लोग तो बड़ा बड़ा कप में स्टारबक्स से 350 रुपए की चाय पीते हो। हेजलनट कॉफी, काय को यार, 12 रुपए बुढ़पी भी चाय मिलता है, कॉफी मिलता है। हैंग आउट यार, इज गुड, हैंगिंग आउट इज इंपॉर्टेंट विद फ्रेंड। इतना हैंग आउट भी मत करो कि कल के एग्जाम का डेट भूल जाओ। इतना हैंग आउट मत करो कि असाइनमेंट है या नहीं भूल जाओ। इतना हैंग आउट मत करो यार, पास हो या फेल हो कोई चिंता नहीं है यार। इफ यू रियली स्टडी हार्ड एंड इफ यू स्टैंड अप ऑन योर फीट, दैट इज कॉन्फिडेंस। That is confidence. Acceptance by a boyfriend is not confidence. Your power of your studies. वो प्यार क्या है जिससे पढ़ाई का त्याग करना पड़े? And even if your parents say you should not do MA after BA, your teachers will support you and they will stand up for you. I still remember this girl, Samreen Sheikh. She finished her BA and then she wanted to do her MA. Her parents said nothing doing, get married. And Madam Archana Patki was the person, professor at SNDT Ghatkopar, who helped her cross the BA and do her MA. Today she's a successful psychologist. तो आपके भी जिंदगी में अरे यार बेटा इतना अच्छा छोरा नहीं मिलेगा, बाद में भी पढ़ाई करो। बाद में क्या डैश पढ़ाई करोगे? डैश यानी खाक का खाक, और कुछ शब्द आपके दिमाग में मतलब। हाँ, वो गली बॉय का शब्द मैंने नहीं बताया, मैंने डैश यानी खाक। ये सब है ना माँ बाप का चाल चलन, ऐसा लड़का नहीं मिलेगा। अरे यार दुनिया में लाखों लड़के, 7 बिलियन लोग हैं, कोई ना कोई मिलेगा। और पढ़ाई करोगे तो अच्छा मिलेगा, और पढ़ाई करके अपना पैसा अपने हाथ में रखोगे तो और अच्छा मिलेगा। अपने ससुर को बिल्कुल पासवर्ड मत बताना आपके बैंक अकाउंट का, अपने पति को पासवर्ड मत बताना। कितना भी प्यार हो ना, अपना पैसा अपने पास रखना, और अपने पास रखोगे तो सिलेक्ट लाइफ है। मनी इज पावर, मनी गिव्स कॉन्फिडेंस, मनी डज नॉट इंटरफेयर विद लव। नहीं, वी आर ऑल टुगेदर, यू गिव मी पासपोर्ट, तुम्हारा पैसा मेरा कुछ नहीं, मेरे पिताजी तुम्हारे पैसे इन्वेस्ट करें, कोई जरूरत नहीं है। आई हैव सीन सो मेनी गर्ल्स एट द एज ऑफ 40 नो मनी बिकॉज़ हस्बैंड इज लेफ्ट देम and they have given all their salaries to the husband. No way. Money is power. Money is the 7th emotion. And my dear friends, breakup तो होएगा ही। ऊपर वाले का वरदान है कि 23 साल के बाद 3 ब्रेकअप होना। हर एक ब्रेकअप के बाद मसल स्ट्रांग होते हैं, और ब्रेकअप के बाद याद रखना जान मत खोना यार। There are many guys worth living for and no guys worth dying for. ब्रेकअप हुआ इसका मतलब नहीं यू आर बैड। ब्रेकअप हुआ इसका मतलब है बर्थ, लव हैज बर्थ, ग्रोथ एंड डेथ। अल्बर्ट एलिस ने कहा था बर्थ, ग्रोथ एंड डेथ वो तो नॉर्मल है। पहला लव तो टिकता ही नहीं, इट इज 5-10 रुपीज प्रीपेड। सेकेंड लव इज 1 month प्रीपेड। उसके बाद लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रीपेड आने को बहुत टाइम है। तो कभी भी ब्रेकअप होने वाला है बॉस, सच्ची होएगा। और यदि तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस कम होएगा तो कोई लुक्के के साथ तुम घूमोगे। You'll actually go with a jerk when your confidence is less. If you feel you're not good looking, you'll go with a jerk. My dear friends, remember to accept your body exactly as it is. आईने के सामने खड़ा रहो और भगवान को क्या बनाया, तारीफ करो क्या उसकी जिसने मुझे बनाया। Accept your body exactly as it is. How you feel defines how you look. If you feel good, your eyes will shine, your cheeks will glow. डू नॉट ब्लेम गॉड। मैं छोटी हूँ, मैं काली हूँ, मेरा नाक छोटा है, मेरा कद थोड़ा छोटा है, मैं थोड़ी मोटी हूँ, मैं थोड़ी पतली। तेल लगाने गया। ऊपर वाला अलग अलग कैरेक्टर बनाता है, नमूना बनाता है, एंड एवरीबडी इज ब्यूटीफुल। माय डियर गर्ल्स, यू कैनॉट बी ऐश्वर्या राय, यू कैनॉट बी दैट गर्ल हु वन द मिस यूनिवर्स yesterday, but remember, Aishwarya Rai cannot be you, and the girl who will won the Miss Universe can never be you because you are unique. तो यार ब्रेकअप होने के बाद मरना नहीं, लाइफ हैज गॉट बर्थ, ग्रोथ एंड डेथ, जिंदा रहना है। एग्जाम फेल होने के बाद मरना नहीं यार। देयर आर मेनी एग्जाम्स वर्थ लिविंग फॉर एंड नो एग्जाम्स वर्थ डाइंग फॉर। तो ब्रेकअप होने ही चला है, गाना है ना, इंग्लिश भी है, हिंदी भी है, दिल पे पत्थर रख के ब्रेकअप कर दिया। एंड सुनो, आप अपने आप को नुकसान करोगे व्हेन यू हार्म योरसेल्फ। डू नॉट थिंक दैट यू विल पनिश एनीबॉडी, नोबडी गेट्स पनिश्ड, you leave the earth, so stay alive. Life is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And if you're very down, if you're very sad, if you're very disturbed, if you feel very lost, go and see a psychologist, not an astrologer. Immediately ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है, साइन धारावी और स्विट्जरलैंड सेम लगता है, सीधा जाके साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाओ। जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका साइकोलॉजिस्ट होता है, एस्ट्रोलॉजर नहीं। And what is very important also, that remember my dear friends, ये अपने बैक पे डालो टैटू। ऐसा स्ट्रांग माइंड नहीं होता है क्या? स्ट्रांग, मेरा माइंड स्ट्रांग है, काय का स्ट्रांग? पत्थर से बना है क्या? आयरन से बना है क्या? स्टील से बना है क्या? लोहे का माइंड है क्या? नहीं यार, न्यूरॉन्स है। माइंड इज नॉट मेड ऑफ आयरन और स्टील माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इट्स मेड ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स। उसे भी खुराक चाहिए, अच्छा खुराक चाहिए। रात को लेट सोगे तो मन फटेगा। नहीं, नेटफ्लिक्स में बेगमों को देखना है, काय को? आप नींद से खिलवाड़ करोगे, भेजा से खिलवाड़ करोगे तो भेजा पलटवार करेगा, एग्जाम में कुछ याद नहीं आएगी। सो रिमेंबर, स्लीप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हेल्थ। स्लीप डेप्रिवेशन इज वर्स देन इंसोम्निया। नहीं, मैं पूरा फिल्म देख के सोऊंगा, चादर के नीचे से ब्लू लाइट। Why the hell, yaar? Sleep on time, get up early, watch your films in the day if you like, talk to your friends at night, and maximum by 11:30. Remember, sleep is not about arithmetic, it's about architecture. It's not about the length of sleep, it's about the rhythm of sleep. Yaad rakhna, my dear girls, you sleep well, you live longer. If you sleep less, you live shorter. Don't look at the right side. Black dog is also a whiskey, but black dog is also the phrase that Winston Churchill gave to his depression. And he said, and World Health Organization has made a movie. I had a black dog, his name was Depression. It's a 4-minute movie. Each one of you should see it. It's a WHO, World Health Organization movie. Each one of you should see it. It says exercise can beat mild depression. आई शपथ, एक्सेस रोज केलं पाहिजे. आता तुम्ही म्हणणार मी सोमवार पासून स्टार्ट करतो, बर्थडेच्या नंतर स्टार्ट करतो, न्यू इयरला नक्की एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करतो. काय को? It's so important to understand that one of the biggest stress busters is exercise. The second is yoga. Third is mindfulness. Fourth is any form of meditation, tasbih, rosary, anything chalega. But this is one of the most important things. If your parents say black dog whiskey, you say black dog is depression. And each one of us should watch this movie and exercise dissolves fears and anger. Very important to understand. गुस्सा आने के बाद बयान करोगे तो माँ के साथ अच्छे से बात करोगे. मम्मी पापा कैसे हैंडल करना मैं बताता हूँ. देखो भाई, they are from a different generation. वो तुम पे चिल्लाएंगे, 100% चिल्लाएंगे. वो साइकोलॉजी के बुक्स पढ़ के पेरेंटिंग नहीं करते हैं, वो अपने माँ बाप को देख के पेरेंटिंग करते हैं. और जब माँ चिल्लाती है ना, नजदीक जाके जादू की झप्पी देना, बोला तुम बहुत खूबसूरत लगती हो. And the best way is not to avoid your parents, but to really go close to them, and that is so important. पढ़ो यार ये. Have a look at this. बातें करते रहते हैं. And it's so important to understand that you need to really, now something very important for you. Indian women त्याग के प्रतीक है. मैं अच्छा साइकोलॉजी बनूंगी, अच्छी माँ भी बनूंगी, अच्छा पत्नी भी रहेगी, अच्छी बेटी भी रहेगी. अरे आप बंद करो ये बकवास. एम्पावरमेंट से कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ, एजुकेशन के बाद भी कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ है. अपने त्याग के घोड़े से उतर जाओ, अपने जिंदगी की मोमबत्ती दोनों बाजू से मत जलाओ. गेट डाउन फ्रॉम दैट हॉर्स and don't try to be the best mother, best daughter, best sister, best wife, best house manager. No, not at all. Be a manager, not a martyr. एक जमाने की हीरोइन थी वो, निरूपा रॉय, कहती थी मेरे जिंदगी में कितना तकलीफ है, आप लोगों को पता है क्या? काय को कशाला. हाँ, an imperfect home is a healthy place. नहीं, मेरा घर सब साफ रहना चाहिए, सब कोई आए तो उसे अच्छा लगना चाहिए कि मैंने सब रखा है. मैंने पूरा 2 टाइम का खाना बनाना चाहिए, 365 दिन में. अच्छा, ऑफिस में भी अच्छा काम करते, घर पे भी पूरा संभाल सकता है. और सब लोग कहेंगे क्या बहू है, बाप रे, ऐसे बहू किसी को मिले तो कुछ पिछले जन्म में कुछ अच्छा काम. काय को. और लोग आपको ऊपर रखेंगे. हम हिंदुस्तान में महिलाओं को ऊपर रखे, इतना ऊपर कि उनके हाथ थाली में भी नहीं जाती. कम सोते हैं, कम खाते हैं और ज्यादा काम करते हैं. बंद करो ये बकवास. अपनी माँ को सिखाओ जाके. Imperfect home is a healthy abode. Imperfect kitchen is a happy house. Imperfect mother is a happy wife. An imperfect wife is a happy marriage. My dear friends, very important for you to look at all this. और जब आप पढ़ाई करते हो ना, टीचरों को नाम देना. Always keep nickname for your teachers. Very important. देखो आई दी खड़ूस, आई दी खड़ूस, निकनेम दे दो. कोई चिंता नहीं, वो तो जिंदगी का अपना हक है यार. हम भी देते थे. मेरे मैथ्स का जो है ना टीचर, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा करता था, मैंने भी उसको नाम दिया. मेरे बेटे ने नाम दिया उसके प्रिंसिपल को, वो चिकनी आई. कोई बात नहीं यार, तुम नाम दो. बट व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज एंटीना ओपन रखो, बिकॉज एवरी टीचर कैन टीच यू समथिंग न्यू. एनी टीचर who's standing in front of you can teach you something new, and you'll be only be able to grab it if your antennas are open. No judgment for any teacher. And if your antennas are open, you'll be able to absorb everything. But sometimes antenna shuts. I don't like her. She is too young teacher. उसको कोर नो PhD नहीं है, वो एजुकेटेड नहीं है इतना, वो प्रो मोदी एंटी मोदी है, वो हिंदू मुस्लिम या क्रिश्चियन है. ऐसे मत को यार. Mine gold from every conversation, my dear friends. Your teachers are important. Any teacher, every teacher can really teach you something new. And it's so important to mine gold from every conversation. My dear friends, as I slowly stop, remember the American army is doing yoga. More American kids do yoga than Indian kids. Because Indians take time. Unless America does it, we don't do it. So it's so important to understand the usefulness. What happens in yoga? Scientifically, stress is about hypothalamo pituitary adrenal axis. And the adrenal gland releases a lot of cortisol, which reigns in the brain. By yoga, this cortisol brain slowly goes down. That can be stopped. So important. Any form of meditation which aligns the mind and the body brings down stress by bringing down the release of cortisol. At the end, I would like to say, you might think that your father is the pillar of the family, or your grandfather is the pillar of the family. Remember, there are no pillars. No building stands on one pillar. You need different pillars. Small pillars, middle pillars, big pillars. And what is very important at that point of time is that let your parents learn to be normal human beings. उनको सिखाओ, रोने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तुम रोगे तो मुझे लगेगा तुम नॉर्मल मम्मी पापा हो. तुम नहीं रोगे तो मुझे लगेगा भगवान हो. तो तुम रोगे तो मुझे लगेगा मेरे जैसे हो. तुम रोगे तो मैं कमजोर नहीं होता हूँ. I will not get weak if you cry. Teach your parents this. because a building never stands on one pillars. हम हिंदी में कहावत है यार, एक उत्तर भारतीय हिंदी ने मुझे ये बताया था, मुझे आज भी याद है, प्रतापगढ़ का था वो। उसने कहा जो बह गया वो पानी है, जो रह गया वो आंसू है, वो जहर है। You stop your tears, your organs will die. Tears are liberating, never stop them, my dear friends. So when you feel like crying, don't remain alone. That is so important. But when everything what you do, you might still get depressed. And if you really get depressed, see to it that you really go to a psychologist or a psychiatrist. Because the hand fracture is visible, depression can be invisible. Everybody who cries may not be depressed. And those who are depressed may not choose to cry. May not choose to cry. So depression can be invisible. You may not be able to see the depression in your mother, father, or yourself. They might appear very normal. Don't ever say tumhe kuch nahi hua hai, because don't ever say don't think too much, because the thoughts come without his or her permission. And it can happen to anybody. 1 out of 7 Indians are mentally ill. Anybody can get depressed in spite of doing yoga, exercise, everything. At that point of time, you need to really take help. It is very cunning, my dear friends. It can come in many disguises. Some people get very exhausted and tired, and that can be the sign of depression. And some get a lot of pain all over the body, and that can be a sign of depression. Some will have only pain in the stomach. Some may only believe that I've got cancer. So depression can come in many disguises. It's important that if your behavior changes, if anybody's behavior changes, see that you seek help from a psychiatrist. And at the end, my dear friends, I would like to share that is the most powerful emotion. In life, you'll have ups and downs, difficulties, troubles. But remember one thing, when you're deeply troubled, get a memory of your mother or your father, which I believe is beautiful. Go to the memory as if it's happening now, and then you'll be able to understand what is life. So when you really visualize a great memory, a stirred memory in your life, you'll find everything what is happening now is very small. Say, for example, if you fail in exams, don't hide yourself. Go and meet your parents and your friends and say, fail ho gaya. Arey exam mein fail hua yaar. Not in life. And when you're very down, pick up a memory of your mother, your father as a child, escorting you to school, celebrating your birthdays, taking care of you when you're sick. And then you'll understand that life is very. The more you access memories of love, you will discover yourself. You will select yourself. My dear friends, if you have to select yourself, remember, there's nobody on this earth who has never experienced love. Each one of us. But because of excessive anger, everything is shut. Everything is blocked. So let one experience not stop you from experiencing or from recalling, from actually recalling experience of the past. So my dear friends, congratulations for being students at SNDP. You have a great life ahead of you, and you have a great opportunity ahead of you. याद रखना, हर एक की 2 शादी होती है, एक पढ़ाई से, एक कैरियर से, और यदि दूसरा with a spouse of the same gender or the opposite gender. पहली शादी सबसे important. पहली शादी में तुम उत्तीर्ण हो गए, when you successfully negotiate your studies and your career, and you really earn your bread, because money is an emotion. Then you will not be dependent on anybody. You will be dependent on yourself. And your self-esteem, apart from everything, money is also important. So my dear friends, वो प्यार क्या है जिससे पढ़ाई का त्याग करना पड़ता है? लाइन लगेगी स्वयंवर में जब आपके पास कुछ है. So please, my dear friends, focus on your studies, focus on your life, focus on your feelings, sensations, behavior. And if there's any trouble, तुम्हारे पास 2 माँ है, एक घर में, एक कॉलेज में. Teacher is like your mother. Go back to your mother and say, ma'am, this is what is happening. And don't expect that teacher to be always compassionate. She's also in deep trouble. वो तुमको माँ जैसी डांटती है, वैसे डांटेगी, और वो डांट एक गुलाब के फूल जैसा ले लो, करीब जाओ. Your teachers, your mothers, and your counselor will help you. If there's any problem anytime in your life, in your colleges, please seek your counselor. With this, wish you all the best. Take care. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. So we have a few questions. So one of the questions is, what if I don't fall asleep after I lie on bed?
Depends. So first is you need to check your blood work. You need to check hemoglobin has to be normal, no thyroid, and your physical self has to be good. Also, you need to also know that you need to eat well on time, sleep well on time. You don't have excess coffee. You exercise. You do yoga. At the same time, you don't see the screens too much. After 10 o'clock, we need to really bring down your screen. It could be because of thoughts which come to you again and again. And if there are thoughts coming again and again, really disturbing you, you're overthinking, go to a psychologist and try to bring down the thoughts. If you do yoga nidra, also try yoga nidra, try Jacobson's relaxation technique, which your counselor can also teach you. And if everything fails, then you should go and find out and talk to a psychologist. But before that, read about sleep hygiene from the net, and you'll be able to understand why you're not sleeping. The rare causes of insomnia are fear, anxiety, stress, problems at home, depression, and stress about a boyfriend, breakup, etc., etc. But if everything is normal, please go and see a family doctor or a psychologist to fix your sleep. Thank you for that question.
So one more question, that if we share our problems with our friends, is that good?
You need to share your problems with friends whom you trust, but remember, एक न एक आपको backstab करेगी, जैसे आपकी भाषा में backstab करो तो बाम लगाओ यार, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बाम लगाओ, कोई शर्म की बात नहीं. No, I told her everything and she told everybody else. चलता है, हो जाता है कभी-कभी. Apply balm. Everybody on the earth is struggling with somebody, and everybody has a difficult story. So do not share it among friends who trust you, don't judge you, and who are with you. And share it among also your teachers and parents with whom you are very confident. Ultimately, remember, you can never choose your parents. Okay, you can always choose your in-laws. Your parents are there, they're permanently. At the same time, in your excellent family, you might trust somebody. So trust people whom will not judge you and who will actually stand by you, and who can offer you reasonable and rational solution. And if they do not offer any solution, perfectly all right, as long as they stand by you. But if there's something grave, remember, your friends might stand by you, but you will need some help from a professional. That's the time. इसका कोई नहीं होता है, उसका psychologist होता
है. What to do if we get easily irritated or angry on small things?
Yeah, if you're very irritable, just look at your sleep. If you're very irritable, look at your diet. Are you fasting too much? Are you eating enough? Or eating? A lot of girls eat less because they want to maintain the figure. Kaiko, eat well, exercise. You need enough calories for your brain and your body. And size and shape does not matter in life. You need to be healthy. Yeah? You need to be healthy. But if you feel good, if you accept your body exactly as it is, and you improve your body through other mechanisms, you will glow. And your glow is one of the most important, perfect picture of yourself, perfect selfie. And to glow, remember, emotional hygiene is important. You don't block your feelings, you share your feelings. If you have any trouble, you seek help, and you build your emotional resilience, as somebody said in the beginning. And for that, you need to be aware of your feelings, thoughts, sensations, behavior, and do little things to see to it that your emotions are regulated and you do not become moved. At the same time, you sleep well, etc., and you'll find that your irritability actually goes down. But if your irritability remains, sometimes because of disturbed menstrual cycle, disturbed hormones, and if it still remains, then you go to a family doctor and ask him why. You can go and ask them. Then you can go and ask them. Why am I angry? So if you're irritable, which is known as anger emotion, after doing all this, if it still remains, it could be a sign of depression, it could be a sign of stress. So you need to go and see a doctor at that time. Swardhuni wants to ask a question. Live.
Okay, sir, sometimes when I sleep at night, I will wake up all of a sudden and I'm sweating a lot and I'm thirsty and my heart rate is fast. Why does that happen?
It's a panic attack which can happen very rarely. A nightmare. You might see a movie. You might recall an accident in your brain. If it happens occasionally, you ignore it. But if it happens,
No, it happens even when I don't get a nightmare or
no, no.
any dream.
If it happens very, very, very frequently, explore that event with somebody whom you trust, a psychologist, to see if there's any event in life which you have repressed or which you are not aware, which may be uncovered by somebody whom you trust, by a psychologist. So if it happens very often, if it's not, then it's perfectly all right. You can ignore it if it's happening occasionally. But this is a panic attack. It is a nightmare. It could be because of some small thing which happened to you in childhood, a bad film which you saw, or any unpleasant incident which you have experienced with a guy, with an animal, with a dog, with a cat, or anything. So if it remains and troubles you, please go and see a psychologist who will help you to uncover it. Thank you.
Sorry, I have a follow-up question. And is there a reason why somebody gets the same nightmare frequently?
There may be, which is what I'm said. It could be an event in life which you may not be aware of. It could be a repressed event. A psychologist will help you to uncover it.
Is there something you would suggest?
Swarduni, I know only your name. Good name you have, Swarduni. But I don't know your life history. I don't know your life history better. So I will not be able to say anything as of now. But I would say, trust your college psychologist. And if she's able to give you time, maybe she'll be able to find where does it come from. Because behind every behavior is a story. Behind every story, there are many stories.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Swarduni.
Yes, sir. One more question. If we are an introvert and we are scared to share our problems, what do we do?
Very good question, beta. God is a champion of diversity. Man is a champion of structure. God makes millions of people, everybody different. So being introverted is perfectly all right. Perfectly all right. So, but if you're anxious, then it's a problem. So being introverted is okay. Being anxious is a problem. So introverted people also have a few friends. They have very select friends, and they're enough. But if you're excessively shy and you do not really gel or talk to anybody, and you feel very scared to share your feelings, then the best person is the counselor or a friendly teacher. At the same time, if you're introverted and anxious, you need to work on your anxiety so that you make a little more friends, a few more friends. So nothing wrong in being introverted. Imagine a world full of extroverted people. So loud it would be, no? So boring it would be. So it's important to understand that introverted is normal. Being anxious, you need to really help, and having few friends and being a quiet person is perfectly normal. You don't have to be extroverted and very gregarious all the time. You are a beautiful character which God has created, like all other characters on the earth.
So, sir, there's a follow-up question saying that because of the introvert characteristics, there may be problems such that I can't share anything with anyone.
See, are you speak which language at home? Hello?
Hindi.
Okay. I'll give you two words in Marathi. Atल्या गाठीचा means secretive. Ikalkonda means quiet and shy. So if you're secretive because of anxiety, you might experiment with one or two people, break your anxiety and share. If you have locked your emotions because that's the way your family is, and I don't know your family, that's the way people don't share at home, but you're very scared that you will appear very vulnerable, people will judge you if you share something, find a teacher with whom you can share slowly. A teacher, a good teacher. Or the best way is to really go through a psychological experience, an interaction where they will help you to understand how to share. Now, the best way to share is first to share with yourself. Take a piece of paper and write down what, and just assume that the paper whom you're sharing is the other person. Or sometimes be in a room, in a chair, put a chair across and sit down and share as if there's somebody else. So just find somebody least threatening to share. It could be anybody. And then you might begin. But if you still feel locked and blocked, find out why. Shame, fear of being judged, fear of being ridiculed, fear of being called stupid, fear of being vulnerable, fear of being all the thoughts which I've shared might spread everybody and people might really judge you. Put down all the fears. Sometimes when you put down all the fears, again, your confidence to share with somebody also improves. So there are many exercises like that. You can actually start sharing with yourself and then find somebody. And it's not essential that you need to share. We're not American. Oh, let me share. We are not at the Oprah Winfrey show. Oh, I would share. She's my ex-husband. He's my husband. No, we are not. We are Eastern cultures. We are fairly secretive. We are symbolic. We don't share everything with everybody. But yet you can't lock your minds. So try with your mother once. Try with your mother. It's beautiful. If you can. And she might not respond the way you expect her to respond, but start trying. And lastly, my dear friends, Sharam Kaiko, kuch nahi hone wala. Kill shame, seek help. And if you kill shame, seek help, all those people who kill shame, seek help, they go up in life. People who lock themselves with the fear that they'll appear stupid, they become managers. People who kill shame and seek help, they become CEOs. So that is very, very important. Thank you for the question. Nice question.
Sir,
Nupur, yeah. Go ahead. Who was that? Go ahead.
Swaizani again. Being an introvert myself, I sometimes can't trust people. I will only share things with my mother, but there are certain things that I would like to share with other people. But I'm always scared that what if they try to, hurt me?
Experiment with a friend. Experiment with one friend.
Okay.
एक बार experiment कुछ नहीं है. बिंदास experiment करो, ठीक है? FIND Nupur.
Sir, I just wanted to share that whenever I feel depressed or I feel like sharing and I can't share with someone, I just talk to trees or write in a book. So
very good idea.
Yes.
Very good idea.
Who can't share, they can share to the environment or whatever they whatever things or close person they like to share.
Absolutely, you're right, beta. But what is very important is you're not going to live in a jungle. You're going to live in the world where there are human beings. So slowly move from the book and the trees to human beings also, gently. But that's a very great idea. Nupur.
Yes, sir.
It was you who shared now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. But so it's very good, extremely good, but don't remain in isolation because we live in a world.
I do share problems with my close ones. But whenever they don't understand, मतलब जो बातें उन्हें समझ में नहीं आती है.
कोई बात नहीं. That's a good idea, beta. Very good idea. Just don't worry. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm Sharda Sirisilla, a faculty from the college, would like to share something at this point.
This?
Because of Sharda ma'am, Sharda.
What faculty?
A faculty from the college, yeah. So here, yes, sir.
What do you teach?
I teach computer science.
Tell me, ma'am.
Yeah, I wanted to share that we have a mentoring sessions for the students in the college where 20 students, 20 to 24 students are being allotted one teacher as a mentor. And we have monthly sessions. Apart from that, they are they are welcomed to speak to that mentor at any point of time they need a help. So now there are many questions, from the students that to whom to speak and what to speak. They have this facility in the college. So
very nice. What is very important also is the mentors also need mentors. Mentors also need mentoring, and some amount of all the mentors should meet once in 3 months with somebody, also debrief what is happening. And madam, that's a very good idea. The mentoring program should be there in every college. It's a great idea, ma'am. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. I think we are done with the questions. I would just like to say thank you for such an enlightening session and throwing light on a subject of paramount importance. I would also like to thank the management and principal, ma'am, without whom this would have not been possible. A big
Who's
thank
the
you to the
principal, by the way?
psychology department.
Sorry,
Sorry,
who's
sir.
the principal?
Professor Mala Panduranga. I would also like to thank the psychology department of Maniben MP Shah College for their contribution and presence. Thank you to Mr. Nitin Pawar for assisting us with all the technical arrangements. I would also like to thank the Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan project for funding this and our RUSA team. Thank you to the NSS unit for organizing this webinar, and a heartfelt thank you to all the teachers and students for attending this webinar and making it so interactive.
Thank you, guys. All the best. We'll meet sometime. Stay alive. Stay alive. No dying. Stay alive. Marna nahi hai. Kuch bhi ho. And if there's something wrong, please take help. And Madam said there's a beautiful mentoring team there. That's a very great idea. And see that you spread the word of joy, peace, and happiness to everybody. Namaste. God bless you. Thank you.